Ooh, doggy. Ugh. Boy, took a while to get shimmied through there, but I got it. Now see where that ductwork goes up through the floor. See how the insulation there, they've wrapped it all the way around that box. And see how it's coming apart up there? And on the back side, that allows your heat to get in underneath the floor, and you're wasting heat. And so once I get back up in here, I'll pull this plastic out. Here's some insulation here. I might be able to use that. I might be able to just pack that whole cavity area if I can't reach in there very well. I've got a couple little pieces of insulation I can push in there. I've got this stuff in the back. I can kind of push that up, wedge it in there, and make it better than what it is. That's just drooped down over 18 years. And see, here's a pipe. See how big this pipe is? This is a main water line. This could be 1.25 inches probably, is my guess. And they were short on the piping, on the foam rubber piping, weren't they? Look, from here to there. See, everything else is wrapped. Okay, so I could put that on my list, because there was another little piece on the other side that was this big pipe, and it looked like it was short by, you know, the rubber piping was short of the copper, about less than a foot over there. So, you know, I can get 3 feet. I've got to buy that in 8-foot lengths or 10-foot lengths at the store. Okay, and see, here's a piece of that. Here's a piece of that pipe, and if I needed to get the actual measurement, the actual size of the pipe, if it says 1.25 inches ID, that means inside dimension. So you measure from inside to inside, not overall. Okay, so that's the same thing. If you're like, well, how big is the pipe? If you look at a 5/8 piece of pipe and you're measuring it with a tape measure, chances are it's going to measure pretty close to 3/4 inch on the outside. You might think, oh yeah, I need 3/4 inch pipe. You go to the store, you get a 3/4 inch pipe if you're doing a repair, let's say, and you find out, son of a gun, it's not 3/4, it's shorter. It's smaller. How come it's not? Well, that's because you measured from outside. So if you measure outside to outside and it's 3/4 inch, you know that's going to be a 5/8 copper tubing that you need to get at the store, 5/8 ID. You see what I mean? I'm probably confusing you now, but anyways, I'll put this on my list. I know I've got to, so I don't have to get any material at the store for that. Okay, now I gotta flip around and let's check out. Let's check out over here. Whew. I gotta resituate myself. Look over here. There's a nice, they're clean out right here. That's nice. Okay, there's a piece of insulation that's bowed down. It's fallen down. And I look at this copper, the piping, and see my foam is. You see this one here? The foam has sagged down. I can feel. I know that one's a hot water line because it's hot. Feel it. Let's see, it just didn't get pushed up in there all the way. And that one's got the sticky stuff on it, so I could tell when it got sticky. Now look, there, I fixed that. I was losing a little heat off the hot water line there. Not a whole lot, but every little bit counts, right? Now see over here, speaking of the water line, you see that piece there is copper, and it's missing from there on over, and I can see where it goes down, and there's a little piece there, but they missed this whole piece, about a 3-foot section, and that looks like I don't know, 3/4. That's probably a 3/4 inch, could even be a 1 inch 1 inch pipe. it looks, that pipe looks a little smaller. Oh wait, yeah. See this pipe size, I'll have to measure. I'll get my tape measure out in a minute. I'll measure that. But see the thickness of that? I think this one over here, it's probably the same thickness. It looks like it's got some couplings on there. It looks like, you know what it looks like? It looks like once upon a time it leaked right there. And they had to come under here and cut out a little section and put in some couplings. And they took the piece of insulation off. Oh, look at that. See there? There's a piece of insulation they took off. It's right down here on the floor. And see, it's been cut out for a T. And it probably came down before, and for some reason, oh, the T goes up. Right in there, it goes up that way. And so there's my piece of insulation I can reuse for that, so I'm glad I looked for that. Okay. Man, more wood down here that I'm gonna have to clean up. Okay, no other pieces of insulation I'm gonna have to get, but I know I'm gonna have to get it for that one pipe, this one pipe right there. So I'll measure that, and then I'll crawl back out of here and go on. We'll take a look over there. Oh, I'm glad that's over with. Hey, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.